What would we include in our space disk? First and foremost, we are in 2018. There's no need of a disk. We are creating a droid. Yes, a spaceship material-coated and artificially intelligent droid. But you might wonder, how would our very technological droid will work? Easy. For his launching, this droid will be powered by combustion. His life on the outside world will be very much regulated by solar energy. By that, we mean any luminous source, considering there are stars all over our galaxy and beyond. But what happens if he doesn't get any energy from luminous sources? Well, our droid will be equipped with chemical backup that will make him last about 10 years without any luminous energy. It's very important to mention that this droid will have all circuits made out of gold, so we can assure there will be no oxidative damage to the electrical and mechanical brain of our droid. Let's remember, our droid has artificial intelligence, meaning he will be capable of perceiving the alien senses and develop the message.
Now that we have explained the structural side of things, we will concentrate on how this droid will help us represent our life and planet to other intergalactically unknown species. First of all, our planet. Representing Earth in video, audio, and texture is complicated but possible. First, we must include a representation of our localization within the parameters we know. Afterwards, we will represent our ecosystems, from land to sea, from snow to desert, and from jungle to the beach. Then, a fair representation of the human being, from birth to death and our evolution, including all physiological processes from eating to breathing, moving, hugging, loving, and living. We will also like to represent music, art, professions, sexuality, emotions, and time. Time. So hard to explain, yet we will represent it with a clock, day and night, the rotation of Earth on its own axis, and around the Sun. Also, we would like to represent politics, economy, and religion. Taking into consideration the evolution part we've mentioned before, we are obligated to portray animals, plants, and bacterial life, and how we are associated with it, not as a separate kind of life.
Alright, now let's talk about the droid interactions with intelligent creature. What would happen if this alien is capable of seeing? Then a video option is indeed perfect. What if he can listen? Well, the video will have sound too. What if he can only feel? Texture. The droid will carry samples of matter. By matter, we mean soil, sand, water in its three states, and many other things that the alien will be able to touch with its appendages or membranes. He's capable of smelling. We will add perfume. These perfumes will represent places or things like flower gardens or smelly fish. But what would happen if the alien cannot do anything of the above? Well, electrical impulses, vibration, and waves will be the option. Messages will be carried by these energy forms and transmitted away by the alien. This said, the droid will have connection to Earth via different resources with a downtime of maximum a day for response. This source of communication will be in development while our droid-like probe wanders around certain part of the universe so that clear real-time messages coming in form of vibration, waves, or electrical impulses can be clear for the alien to receive and understand.